In this video, we're going to discuss the latest milestones reached by James Webb Telescope. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Since its launch on Christmas Day of 2021, a feeling of optimism has emerged in NASA headquarters, because Webb is more than just a telescope. It was built to unravel the deepest, largest, and most mind-blowing mysteries of the universe. The great minds of NASA know that in the end, it all comes down to pointing the telescope in the right direction and using its infrared technology to capture images of the planets and the early universe. And it didn't take long for the first image to be transmitted to Earth now that the telescope's mirrors are finally aligned. NASA is one step closer to its target of finding extraterrestrial life. The first image of the James Webb Telescope has finally been released, and it is truly jaw-dropping. The $10 billion telescope has been in development for over 2 decades. And NASA engineers have spent weeks aligning the telescope's iconic golden mirrors. The excitement for the photo that participates in a long time, the Webb team has shared many first photos of the star in HD. 84,406 taken February 2nd in addition to a blurry selfie of Webb's primary mirror itself. These photographs are a remarkable achievement for the Webb telescope. They are an important aspect of the telescope's mirror alignment when used together. The photos were taken with the near-infrared camera near the camera. James Webb Space Telescope has been obtained. The first image of the star HD 84,406, a fairly insignificant star in the constellation Ursa. James Webb's 18 mirror segments were used to acquire 18 individual images, which were combined to create this composite image. The telescope had to take 1,500 photos. Combining them into one took 25 hours to complete. The project agency published a blog post on Twitter with a photo of a selfie in the primary mirror explaining how Webb's telescope opened his eyes and what he will see in the future. Astronomers had to make sure the NEOCam could capture light from celestial objects. Before the Webb mission began, it was explained that the HD 84,406 was reflected by Webb's secondary mirror and then entered NEOCam detectors. The spectacular first shot of the James Webb Telescope takes more than seconds to absorb. A gigantic, powerful, large, ultra-bright red, orange and yellow star takes the front of the scene, shines brilliantly diffraction stellar tips that run diagonally and horizontally. Vertically, hundreds of stars and other cosmic objects of distant but focused red galaxies emerge from the unknown depths of deep space against a black background. Many distant galaxies and stars appear to be centered in the background. It is probably because the Webb telescope uses a technique called deep field deepen innovation of the Hubble telescope allows acquiring photos over a longer period for aid highly. But taking these images is just the first step on Webb's long list of future achievements. Of course, the real question everyone wants to know is whether or not we're alone in the vast universe. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications when we post more videos.